Hello, first and second grade. This is Mr. Mouse, and I hope you are doing well, staying healthy, and staying safe. It has been a great week. I have been doing pretty well myself. Just taking it easy and well, staying busy. Definitely staying busy. Um, for those of you who are fully remote, I do miss you. But I hope you've again been doing well and have been having fun with some of the lessons I've been giving, have been able to watch them, have tried some of the activities. Um, for this week, I do have sort of this. It's not the same website, it's not the same activity, but you do have kind of the same exercise this week, but you're going to be, it's a puzzle of sorts, and you have a timer. So I'm going to explain that in a little beat. A little beat. See, I said that wrong. A little bit. Um, in the meantime, we are going to, in building, we've been talking about don't feel so downbeat, feel more upbeat. So we've been looking at downbeats and upbeats in music this week. So downbeats, upbeats. Hmm. I wonder what those are. Well, we're going to have to take a look and kind of review that because we talked about those in kindergarten just for a little bit, but we didn't really discuss them that much. So let's take a look. We're going to go back to kindergarten, like I said. And because we have to go back to kindergarten, we have to listen to this. Ah, yes. Do we all remember when we sat down in our carpet squares and we listened to the heartbeat, right? And we said, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then we said, we can't just use something like heartbeat in music, right? We can't say heartbeat. That's. Oh, haha, made you look. Yeah, I threw that picture in just for fun. This is me, and this is my friend Andrew from college, and here we are right before our big concert, and we're just making a silly face. Anyways, we said we couldn't use heartbeats in music. We had to use beats and steady beats. And then we said that some beats are stronger than others. And because this is the case, those heartbeats, well, we came back, sorry, I'm jumping ahead a little bit. We turned those heartbeats into just regular old beats, right? So we said, because those heartbeats are just regular old beats now, right? Some beats are stronger than others, right? Not every heartbeat is boom, 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 boom. If you go back to that recording and listen again, just listen very carefully. One goes dun dun, then the other goes dun dun, dun dun, dun dun, dun dun, dun dun. So one is stronger and one is weaker, right? So we can say that about our musical beats, right? Our regular beats. Some are stronger, some are weaker. The ones that are stronger, we call downbeats, okay? The ones that are weaker, we call upbeats, right? In music, most of the time, numbers 1 and 3, beats 1 and 3 are our downbeats, okay? You can actually feel that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually they're stronger. That's why we call them downbeats. It feels like you're pressing down on the beat, okay? Whereas 2 and 4 are the upbeats, okay? Or the weaker beats, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, could you switch it up? Yeah, you could. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4. You could. It's a little unusual, for sure, but mostly 1 and 3, these guys, they are called what again? Yep, are down. I'm trying to write this in. Are downbeats. Okay? These are our downbeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the building, I told our students to clap louder on the downbeats and clap lighter on the upbeats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? It makes it a little bit easier so we can tell the difference, right? So if we have these rhythms here, let's turn that into actual rhythm, right? Here we have some quarter notes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats there, right? So here's beat number 1, and here's beat number 3. Those are our downbeats. Here's beat number 2, and here's beat number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Those are our downbeats and our upbeats. How about this one, number 2 here? Again, here's our downbeat. There's a downbeat because this is beat number 1. This is beat number 3. And then, well, what do you know about that? I'll use purple here. There's a rest on beat number 2. And there's our upbeat on number 4. 1, 3, and... Oh, I made a mistake. 1, 3, and 4. Right? And then this last one here. Well, there you go again. We've got a rest. That one's a little trickier. Can you have a rest be a downbeat? That's a good question. I'd like you to think about that and let me know. In the meantime, 2, 4. So what do you think? Were these our downbeats? Or were these our downbeats? I'd love for you to send me a message and tell me what you think. Be curious to see what you found out. Okay, so for this week, what you're going to do is as follows. I'm going to put a link on here, and it's called Rhythm Puzzles. Okay, Rhythm Puzzles. So it is a puzzle of sorts. It's a kind of a fun puzzle. Now, I'm going to warn you ahead of time. You're going to have to be listening really, really well. I mean, really, really well. Even I had to listen. Okay? So, you want the difficulty level here. Make sure this little guy here is 1. Okay? You're gonna practice. Okay? I'm gonna say loading. Then you're gonna press. Okay? It's going to play rhythms like this. Okay? Your job is to place each piece after you've heard it. Okay? So, it's going to place, it's going to keep playing them until you place the piece with the rhythms on it into the black little spot, the black empty spot here, okay? So what did I hear in this first area? I heard this, okay? I heard 1, 2, and, so that sounds like that. Then I thought I heard 2 quarter notes? Nope. Okay, it sounds like a half note here. Maybe... Oh, okay. Now, if you need to move a piece, just click on the spot where you put a wrong answer. Okay? So, again, in order to play, alright, all you need to do is it's going to play each rhythm in each spot. And your job is to move the piece into the spot. Okay? So, just give it your best shot. Okay? I will give everybody the link. Okay? Do your best. If it's too difficult, don't worry about it. Okay? The other thing I'd like you to do this week, if you have time, is create some measures for beats and try to do what we did today. Finding which beats, circling which beats are the downbeats and which ones are the upbeats. Feel them out, okay? Usually beats 1 and 3 are going to be your downbeats. And beats 2 and 4 are going to be your upbeats. Try to show them a little bit differently. Like 1 and 3 could be in red or a square. Well, that's not a square. Okay. And 2 and 4 could be in purple. Or a circle. Okay? I'll let you decide. Alright? I hope everybody's doing well. Stay healthy. Stay safe. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care.